wait.
Oh, these are for
I bet you one of each
So
color.
how to play?
Is it good or
Spin the arrow and land on a color.
I think these
Take
are
the chance, pick a lip balm with the corresponding color. Reveal the flavor. Is it yummy or is it gross?
Ew, what type of gross is it?
Oh, I
Like,
think that's
poop?
lipstick.
Okay, Patrick.
I think mommy goes first.
No, you go first.
I
Okay, Sissy go first.
Oh my god.
I hope you get gross.
On the
Yeah.
line.
Is that-
Do it again.
Okay.
I hope
so
you get
hard.
Sheldon.
Ow.
Jeez.
You get cheese.
Okay,
Oh.
yellow it is.
Yeah.
Which yellow?
That
this
one.
Okay.
Oh,
God.
You got. I don't. Is it,
Put it on.
is it gross?
What is it? What is it?
It smells bad, but it tastes good.
Oh.
Okay, my
Why
turn.
does it tell us what they could
Okay,
be?
maybe not anymore. That does not taste good.
Oh, I got mold.
Okay, which one do you want to do?
This one.
It tastes like
smells
eggs, like
disgusting.
spoiled eggs.
This one. Okay, wait.
That one looks.
It smells great.
Right now.
It smells like flowers.
Okay, put it on your lips. Is it good?
It's good. It's good.
Yeah, that was good. Okay, next.
It's
Yuck.
Here we go.
it tastes like flour, right?
I still smell it.
Oh, so I guess I get to go.
No!
Oh, wait, did I pick the same one?
Yeah, you did.
That stinks.
I wish I can get combo.
It doesn't taste that bad, but
I wish I
Smells
can get
horrible.
I wanna
combo
smell
and
this
red
one.
hyphen.
that's fine.
Okay,
Wait, when you
go
go
make
in
it.
the lines,
That
you
one
get
smells so
double.
good.
Wait, when you go in the lines, you get double.
Okay.
Mom.
Okay, red.
Okay. This one.
I'm trying to get that one.
That's a good one. Okay, Patrick, spin.
Smell it.
It smells like
That one's
cherry.
Smells like regular cherry chopstick.
I got
Green. All right.
I got
Yellow.
Sheldon.
Which yellow you want to do?
Not. Is this the gross one?
Oh, that's the good one.
Okay.
Okay, I'm just gonna pick blue.
Okay.
You know the end draws the bad ones, right?
Oh, this one doesn't smell good either.
It smells good.
Okay.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh,
Let me smell it.
put it on your lips.
Ew! It's like
Wait, this one's. I picked the good one.
You picked the good. I know that one
Can I
was
smell
the
it?
good one.
Does it smell good?
Yeah, it smells good.
That one was definitely gross.
What about the other blue?
Want to try it, McKenna? This one. Is that the one I?
I already smelled it.
No, the
other
good
blue.
one.
The other blue.
I know that's the bad one. Oh, fine.
Is that the same one?
That's the same one. I sit on the end.
On the end.
I already tried that one.
You did? Oh yeah. That one was good.
Patrick is all good.
Okay.
Me?
It's so
These are
good.
gross.
Patrick, what is it?
It's good. Oh, smell it. You can smell it, Dad. Smell it. It's good.
Oh, that's good.
Okay, show
I
me
told you
a
it's good.
yucky one.
No, do the blue one. The blue one's the worst one.
Smell it.
Tell him the blue one.
Oh!
Listen.
Oh.
Do it.
Oh.
I'm gonna try to do. I'm gonna try. Wrong one.
Just mix them up. You'll never know.
Yeah.
Why are you mixing them up? We already did the challenge.
But you might want to do it
Next time you play, you should mix them all up.
Oh, yeah, I never had this
Oh,
before.
God. Can I fart?
I'm gonna try combo.
Okay.
Did you fart?
Let's see. No.
No,
edit
the
it out.
gross ones make you fart.
It smells like BO though.
What about the gross
Daddy.
ones make you fart.
It's the.
The gross ones make you fart?
It's the.
No, I think what about?
Is it the lip balm?
Yes.
Okay, try it, Patrick.
Which one do you think, bad or good?
No, this is
Good.
Okay, I think it's good.
This
Yeah,
one.
try it.
Mine's over here.
1, 2, 3. It smells like Doritos.
I like